Hello all, welcome. In this video, I am going to present on how to run a project that is Selenium project on the VS Code. Setup will be shown in another video. First, I will show how the to run the project. So this is my code which packs the website which is created by me. First, I show the website. So this is the website weather app in which when you give the city name and press the enter, you can get the all the details, that is latitude, longitude, humidity, pressure, wind speed, temperature, feels like minimum, maximum, all that, which is using Open Weather Map API. You can see this project in my GitHub repository. I will put it in the descriptions. Then next, coming to this test, first we have to download the Chrome driver. I downloaded and install it in the driver folder inside the source. Then for testing API, I get a function that is a Chrome driver in WebDriver driver, and this code help in get the website. And for gap between two process, I use the thread to sleep. Then next, after getting the successful, this will fetch the data and print it on the console. Then next, our command line. This will fetch the page source and also the page length, and page length is printed on the console. Then next, this print the current URL, and this test will make sure that the to maximize the Chrome before it is in a minimize zone. Let me show on in the demo only. And then this code will find an element inside the web which is search bar to get the element and send the key lantern and submit it, and then quiet. This is the folder structure. This is the setting.json file, which comprises of the source path, output path, and the reference libraries. This is the bin folder after you run the project. Then this is the libraries. You have to put all the installed Selenium Java library in this folder. Then source folder, you can put the driver inside the source folder or else in a library folder. And inside the source folder, you have the app.java. Then readme file. You can see all the code in my GitHub repository. Then let me run the project. So you can see in the console that is Chrome driver was successfully started. This is the web page. I already shown the web page. And this is the test case tool, which is maximize the Chrome. And London is inside this book, and you can see the output. Our test case, all the test case is passed. Likewise, you can use, you can see the React app. It is the title, then source code length, the next the URL, then Chrome window is maximizer. That's it. Another video I will show how to set up the project. Thank you.